Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best shower pan liner is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in ensuring a leak-free and long-lasting bathroom, acting as the primary defense against water damage seeping into your subfloor and foundation, which can lead to costly repairs and mold growth if not properly installed and maintained. Number 5. Epica Heavy-Duty Clear Vinyl Shower Curtain Liner. Enjoy a cleaner shower experience. Our liners are made with premium materials, specially treated to resist stains and odors, ensuring a fresh feel every time. This liner offers superior performance in resisting odors and stains. It's designed to look great while providing exceptional functionality for your bathroom. Say goodbye to torn eyelets. It features a reinforced header with rust-proof metal grommets for extra strength and long-lasting durability. Tired of liners that billow? This heavyweight vinyl liner drapes beautifully and stays put without the need for magnets, thanks to its substantial thickness. Crafted from the strongest heavy-duty clear vinyl, this liner is built to last. It provides a reliable and effective barrier for your shower space. What we like. This liner is built to last, resisting stains and odors for a consistently fresh shower experience. Its reinforced header and rust-proof grommets ensure it won't tear easily. If you're looking for a durable and easy-to-maintain shower curtain liner that stays put without magnets, this is a great choice. What people say. The liner is thick and durable, providing excellent protection against leaks. Easy to cut and install, conforming well to corners and edges. The material is flexible yet strong, ensuring a long-lasting waterproof barrier. Number 4. Oatey PVC Shower Pan Liner Kit. Introducing the Oatey PVC Shower Pan Liner Kit, your ready-to-use solution for effective waterproofing. This kit is designed for seamless integration into your tile shower projects. It comes with a durable 5 feet x 6 feet PVC liner and 2 PVC corner dams. This ensures comprehensive protection for your concealed waterproofing needs. Crafted from tough, abrasion-resistant 40 mm thick flexible PVC, it's built for long-lasting performance. You can rely on its durability for years to come. Featuring convenient 6-inch increment markings, measuring and trimming is a breeze. The pre-cut 5 feet x 6 feet liner allows for quick and efficient installation. This liner is ideal for tile showers up to 4 feet x 5 feet. It provides a reliable waterproof barrier, ensuring peace of mind for your bathroom renovation. What we like. This kit offers a convenient, all-in-one solution for waterproofing your tile shower. It comes pre-cut with essential corner dams for a quick and effective installation. If you're undertaking a new tile shower project and want a reliable, pre-packaged waterproofing system, this is ideal. What people say. The liner is thick and durable, providing excellent protection against leaks. Easy to cut and install, conforming well to corners and edges. The material is flexible yet strong, ensuring a long-lasting waterproof barrier. Number 3. Oatey PVC Shower Pan Liner. Introducing the Oatey PVC Shower Pan Liner, a ready-to-use waterproofing membrane designed for tile showers and concealed applications. It offers a simple and effective solution for your waterproofing needs. Installation is made simple with markings every 6 inches, allowing for precise and easy measuring. This feature ensures a more efficient and accurate application process. Crafted from durable, abrasion-resistant 40 mm thick flexible PVC, it provides long-lasting protection. You can rely on its robust construction for extended performance. It boasts superior cold weather characteristics, ensuring reliable performance even in challenging temperatures. This makes it a dependable choice for various environmental conditions. This liner is the ideal choice for tile showers and other concealed waterproofing applications. Trust it to provide the protection you need where it matters most. What we like. Constructed from thick, abrasion-resistant PVC, this liner provides robust waterproofing for tile showers. It also boasts superior performance in cold weather conditions. If you need a dependable, long-lasting waterproofing membrane for your shower, especially in colder climates, this is a solid option. What people say. The liner is thick and durable, providing excellent protection against leaks. Easy to cut and install, conforming well to corners and curves. The material is flexible yet strong, ensuring a long-lasting waterproof barrier. Number 2. Oatey PVC Shower Pan Liner. Introducing the Oatey PVC Shower Pan Liner, a ready-to-use waterproofing membrane designed for tile showers and concealed applications. It offers superior protection and long-lasting durability. Measuring is a breeze with markings every 6 inches, ensuring a perfect fit for your project. This makes installation quick and efficient. Crafted from durable, abrasion-resistant 40 mm thick flexible PVC, it's built to last. Its high-impact plastic construction provides robust protection. Enjoy superior cold weather characteristics for reliable performance year-round. It offers excellent protection against unexpected water issues. This liner provides essential protection from washing machine overflows or hose failures. It ensures your space stays dry and protected. What we like. This liner is made from high-impact plastic, offering excellent durability and protection. It's designed not only for showers but also to safeguard against washing machine overflows or hose failures. If you're seeking a versatile waterproofing solution that provides an extra layer of protection against appliance leaks, consider this. What people say. Works good for shower pans. This liner is a good quality and thick material, perfect for shower pans. It's easy to cut and work with, making installation a breeze. Number 1. Oatey PVC Shower Pan Liner Gray 6 feet by 10 feet. This is a 6 foot by 10 foot waterproof shower pan liner. It's designed to create a durable, waterproof seal for tile shower bases and other concealed waterproofing needs. This waterproof membrane comes ready to use, saving you time on your project. It's an excellent choice for both new constructions and remodels. The back of the liner is conveniently marked in 6-inch increments. This allows for easy and accurate measuring and trimming to fit your specific needs. Constructed from flexible, abrasion-resistant 40 mm thick PVC, it's built to withstand years of use. It meets industry standards and is IAPMO listed for quality assurance. This liner comes neatly rolled to prevent creases, ensuring a smooth installation. For best results, use it with Oatey X15 bonding adhesive and corner dams, sold separately. What we like. This large, crease-free shower pan liner ensures a smooth and easy installation process. Its durable 40 mm thick PVC construction meets industry standards for reliable waterproofing. If you're working on a larger shower project or prefer a liner that arrives ready to install without creases, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This shower pan liner is made of heavy-duty material that feels very durable and thick. The liner is easy to cut and work with, allowing for a custom fit in any shower space. It effectively prevents water from leaking through, providing excellent waterproofing for the shower base. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.